Hi everyone, welcome to Provisual Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily set up and showcase your design using Provisual and 3D models. Let's navigate to the 3D model section and select an object for our tutorial. The library contains a great variety of high-quality 3D models, and it is updated weekly. In this tutorial, we will learn how to customize a 3D model of a baby food pouch. Let's select a 3D model from the vast Provisual library. Here we go. First, let's change the color of the packaging. You can either select or customize the color using the color palette or enter the color code manually, like this. Now let's tweak the material a little. Up next is the cap element. We will only change the color of the material. We will copy the material color and apply them to the neck part, like this. Next, let's check the material settings for the package bottom. Let's turn our 3D model and switch off drop shadow for more precise adjustment of this part. The color of the material looks good. We will leave it as it is. Okay, let's switch the drop shadow back on. The next step is to add the design to the packaging. To add the design, click on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel. You can also download a UV map and create your design in another editor. I've already prepared some images for our pouch. Let's add the first design element. In this window, we see the editor, where we can move and modify our design. See how in this left window, the position of our design on the 3D model is always displayed in real time. Great! Saving our design. Now let's add another design element. Clicking again on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel to add one more element of our design. Now let's move the design to the right place following the UV map. Great. Let's add some color to our design to highlight the freshness of our product. Let's select the design layer to activate it. Next, let's change the material of the design, picking miscellaneous to add the personality to our design. In the material settings, let's add some gloss, and also create a holographic effect on our design. Now let's add dimension to our design using our bevel feature. Looks amazing. Let's see what types of backgrounds we have available. We can choose a solid fill as the background, or we can go for a gradient fill. Here we can select the desired colors and also set the direction of the fill, linear or radial. You can also pick one of the pre-designed backgrounds that we've prepared for you, or add your own image. Let's add one. Excellent. You can turn on moving lights to see how the light can enhance the shape and texture of the 3D model. You can also rotate the 3D model to see how the design looks from all sides. Let's save our project now. After you've completed your design, you can share it by clicking the Share button. You'll get a shareable link to open the interactive viewer with your 3D model. Send it over to your colleagues, friends, or clients. And this is the end of our tutorial on creating a baby food pouch design. We hope this has been helpful for you. See you in the upcoming tutorials.